How are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous videos, we have started our lesson number 22, direct and indirect speech, and we learn about the difference between the direct and the indirect speech. Now there are some rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. कुछ रूल्स होते हैं जिसमें हम डायरेक्ट स्पीच को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज करते हैं, तो उसमें उन रूल्स को जानना इसलिए ज़रूरी होता है जिससे हम इजीली जो है कन्वर्ट करना है डायरेक्ट स्पीच को इनडायरेक्ट में, उसको इजीली कर सके. सो हियर द रूल नंबर 1 इज, if the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the verb in the reported speech is not changed at all. कि अगर जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है वो प्रेजेंट या फ्यूचर टेंस में है, तब जो वर्ब है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच की वो नहीं चेंज होगी. यू सी हियर डायरेक्ट स्पीच. राजू सेज देयर इज नो वाटर इन द टैप. When we change it into indirect, Raju says that there is no water in the tap. अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा कि अगर जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है, ये है रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब आपकी, अगर वो प्रेजेंट या फ्यूचर में होती है तब रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में कोई भी चेंज नहीं आता. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल देख लीजिए. द टीचर सेज द गर्ल वॉज इंटेलिजेंट. Indirect, the teacher says that the girl was intelligent. The headmaster says Rohit will pass. The headmaster says that Rohit will pass. So students, I hope all of you have to understood the rule 1, that if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the verb in the reported speech is not changed at all. जो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच की वर्ब होगी वो चेंज नहीं होगी. नाउ हियर देयर आर सम मोर एग्जांपल्स लाइक रीना विल से लंच इज रेडी. दिस रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन फ्यूचर. रीना विल से दैट लंच इज रेडी. हर्ष विल से नोबडी वॉज इन द रूम. हर्ष विल से दैट nobody was in the room. So I hope all of you have to understood that what is rule number 1. Now students, rule number 2. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the verb in the reported speech is also changed to past tense. अगर reporting verb जो है वो past tense में है तो जो verb होगी reported speech की वो भी past में change हो जाएगी. To work out this rules smoothly, note the following special rules. अब इसके लिए special rules है, like the simple present becomes the simple past. Here example, Rita said, Reena works very hard. Here you see the reporting verb is in past, so we also convert it into past. Rita said that Reena worked very hard. Ajay said Priya sings daily. Ajay said that Priya sang daily. The past of sing is sang. Second, present continuous becomes the past continuous. जो present continuous है वो past continuous में change हो जाएगा. She said Karan is working hard. Indirect, she said that Karan was working hard. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हो ये जो verb है वो चेंज हो रही है. थर्ड है द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट बिकम्स द पास्ट परफेक्ट. जो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है वो पास्ट परफेक्ट में चेंज हो जाएगा. लाइक शी सेड दिया हैज रिटन द पोएम. सेंटेंस क्या बनेगा? द शी सेड दैट दिया हैड रिटन द पोएम. फोर्थ इज मे इज चेंज इनटू माइट, कैन इज चेंज इनटू कुड. मे जो है वो माइट में चेंज हो जाएगा और जो कैन है वो कुड में चेंज हो जाएगा. She said the girls may pass. She said that the girls might pass. The simple past becomes the past perfect. Om said, जो simple past है वो past perfect में change होगा. Om said Ravi returned at night. Om said that Ravi had returned at night. She said he came at 10. She said that he had came at 10. The past continuous becomes the past perfect continuous. She said all were laughing at the joker. She said that all had been laughing at the joker. Raman said all the girls were dancing. Raman said that all the girls had been dancing. Here shall is change into should, will is change into would. जो shall है वो should में change हो जाएगा, will है जो would में change हो जाएगा. The teacher said Rakesh will not pass. The teacher said that Rakesh would not pass. So students, I hope all of you have understood the rule number 1 and rule number 2. So all of you have to practice it and try to understood it once again.